Welcome to our channel where we break down exactly how to fix a rejected mortgage application so you can secure your dream home. Welcome to our channel where we break down exactly how to fix a rejected mortgage application so you can secure your dream home. Applying for a mortgage can be a complex and nerve-wracking process, and receiving a rejection can feel discouraging. However, a rejected mortgage application is not the end. There are clear actions you can take to turn things around. First, understand the reason for rejection by requesting detailed feedback from your lender. Common reasons involve credit score issues, insufficient income, high debt-to-income ratio, or incomplete documentation. Once you get this feedback, focus on improving your credit score by paying down debts, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding new credit inquiries. Next, review your income and employment stability. Lenders look for consistent and verifiable income streams, so gather all relevant pay slips, tax returns, or proof of additional income. Address any discrepancies or gaps in employment that could raise concerns. In parallel, reduce your existing debt obligations wherever possible to improve your debt-to-income ratio, making you a more attractive borrower. Make sure to organize all your financial documents meticulously, including bank statements, tax returns, pay slips, and identification documents. Incomplete or missing paperwork often leads to rejections. After improving your profile, consider reapplying either with the same lender or explore other lenders who may have different criteria or specialized programs for certain applicants. You might also want to seek the advice or assistance of a mortgage broker who can help you find suitable lenders and improve your application. Finally, be patient but persistent. Rebuilding financial health and taking corrective steps takes time, but with focused effort, your mortgage approval chances will improve significantly. Remember, each rejection is just a learning opportunity paving your way to success. At the end, if you found these insights useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more valuable content that can help you on your path to homeownership.